To delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. Then tap onto Marketplace icon from your top bar menu. Now these are all the products that are available in your Facebook Marketplace. First of all, let's go ahead and learn how to save an item. Tap on anyone that you would like to view, then you will see a heart icon, then tap on save. As you see that this item has been saved. Now in order to view the saved item, tap on this person icon just beside the search bar. Then here you will see 2 saved items. Tap onto it. And now in order to unsave this item, tap on the 3-dot icon and tap on unsave. Do the same. And just like so, this is how you can unsave an item. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you had found this to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.